Deep compartments for brushes, mascaras and eyeliner pencils. Shallow compartments for small items such as lip balms, blushers and eyeshadows. Drawer with magnetic closure for cotton wool pads, cotton buds and makeup sponges. Chrome-plated badge detail. Dismantles for easy cleaning. Keep cosmetics and accessories organized with this practical but stylish caddy. It features a mix of deep and shallow compartments for storing a variety of items such as makeup brushes, mascaras and eyeshadows, plus a drawer for things like cotton wool pads, cotton buds or makeup sponges. The drawer has an easy pull tab to open and a self-locating magnetic closure. Perfect for storing a wide range of items, the design is finished with a chrome-plated badge detail. Dimensions: H12XW 18.5XD 19.5 cm, H4.7XW 7.3XD 7.6 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect countertop organizer. This organizer is great. It fits perfectly on the countertop, it's compact enough to not be invasive but roomy enough to fit a lot of items. It's sturdy and easy to clean. I definitely recommend this one.